Where is Pumpkin? Under the...
Look at your book.
Where is Pumpkin? Under the moon.
Mm-hmm.
Where is Pumpkin? Behind the fence. Where is Pumpkin? What's this?
Above.
Above the cat. Where?
Cece, are you going to finish your book?
Yes. Where is Pumpkin? On the vine. Where is Pumpkin?
Above
the cat. Where is Pumpkin? What is this sound?
Let's sound it out. In
the pie. Oh my.
Very
in
good.
The pie. And you leave it there. Let me